How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Carbine-Z flush mounts. So we offer these units in our Floodlight optics or our Spotlight optics, and you'll see these units are designed to mount flat flush mounted on your vehicle. And then you'll see that you'll have your positive and negative connections here. And then on both of these units, you'll have 6 3-watt LEDs pushing 1,620 lumens. So let's go ahead and turn these units on and go over the optics. So here is our Floodlight model with all Floodlight optics, giving you that wide spread off of your flush mount. And here is our Spotlight model with all Spotlight optics, giving you that more focused beam coming off of your flush mount. When it comes to wiring your Carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our Carbine-Z flush mounts. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.